Let's cross over to Asanda for our second question of this exciting lesson.
Hey Alexander! Alexander, how are you?
Fine, thanks. And you?
I'm very good, thank you. So tell me, how are you feeling today?
Like normal. Good. Good.
Normal is good. Okay, I like that. And how's everything going with natural sciences?
Not so good.
Not so good, not so good.
Once again.
Once, okay, but you know, we're working on this, right? We're getting better.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. You've got a question for us, don't you?
Yeah.
Go for it.
What do we mean by synthetic materials?
Well, guys, you heard Alexander.
The word synthetic comes from two Greek words meaning put together. Synthetic materials are man-made. You've already learnt in this lesson about another synthetic material that man made, bronze. An alloy is a synthetic material because it cannot be found naturally anywhere on the planet. It is made by man adding tin to copper. Stainless steel is also another alloy which we've just read about. Many other substances were synthesized by early humans. They put together straw and mud and then baked them. Do you know what this made? Bricks. Clay and water mixed together and baked at very high temperatures made pottery and ceramics. Humans continued to exploit the natural materials around them, and very often stumbled on a new substance, often by fusing two natural products together. At the end of the 19th century, humans developed the first true synthetics, artificial substances made completely by humans. What were these substances? Plastics. Think of all the advances in technology that have been brought about by the invention of plastic. In Activity 2, we look at the three periods of human history that are so named by the materials that man employed to make his tools. We also look at 19th and 20th century times when new materials were being used to build. We also answer the question why alloys are termed synthetic. The learner will now pause the DVD and attempt the activity. Let's cross over to Asanda for our final question.
Hey Mario, what's up?
Okay, thanks.
Okay, super. Now tell me Mario, how are you feeling today?
I'm okay.
You good?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Alright, I like that. So what's been happening? How's school going?
Okay. It's quite hard, but it's fine. Exams is rolling in. And
Yeah. And the studies, how are they going?
I haven't started.
You haven't started? But I'm sure you've got it covered.
Yeah, I hope
Okay, super. So Mario, you have a question for us, don't you?
I do.
Right
okay. Can natural and synthetic materials be mixed or combined?
Well guys, can they?
You have seen how humans combine two natural products to come up with a new one. Tin and copper to make bronze, or mud and straw to make bricks. But can a synthetic material be fused with a natural substance to make a new one? And the answer is yes. You might even be wearing one of these man-made products right now. Many fabrics employ the use of natural fibers such as wool and cotton, with synthetic fibers such as nylon and rayon. Lycra is an artificial fiber that has excellent stretch properties. It is used in sports clothing. However, denim jeans, which are made out of cotton and natural fiber, have lycra added to make them more comfortable to wear. Natural fibers like wool and silk can be expensive, but artificial fibers are cheaper. So many of today's fabrics are made of synthetics, which are combinations of artificial and natural fibers. Polycotton, for example, is a mix of about 65% polyester and 35% cotton. People are very creative in mixing natural and synthetic materials in order to get precisely the results they want. The desired result is usually a material with just the characteristics required. For example, a fabric that is light and warm for a lightweight suit. In Activity 3, we asked the question, what natural and synthetic fibers are used to make a bulletproof vest? We're given a clue in the second question that says the same fiber was used to make ladies' stockings and parachutes. Can you identify this fiber that was later replaced by a synthetic material? The learner will now pause the DVD and attempt the activity. Human development over the centuries has been described by the materials that humans used. It has been said that real human advancement only came when man started designing the materials he needed rather than what was just naturally available. What is also interesting is, although wonderfully new, synthetic materials are being discovered all the time. Natural materials like leather, wood, bone, and wool are as popular today as they ever were. This is particularly true in the fashion world. That's all we have time for in today's lesson. From me, your host Aubrey, until next time, have a good one.
Well, that's it from Mario and I, but before we go, I want to know, what have you learned today?
I'm going to look at my clothes differently from now on.
Well, good for you, buddy.
Yeah.
Well, guys, that's it. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.